Hello again. Well, today I'm having another play day. One of those experimental days where I just have to breathe and hope that everything turns out okay. I've got my foam board again, all ready to go. And today I have decided I'm going to do another, I'm not sure whether I'll do a straight pour or a wiggly pour, but I'm going to do a pour with mixed colours. And my colours I'm using today, I'm using a little bit of several colours. And I've got dark blue, I've got my mix of copper and silver to make a kind of rose gold. I've got red, phthalo green, Tiffany by Semco, which is turquoise, yellow ochre, and white, titanium white. And I'm putting them straight onto a dry foam board. So I will mix my colours up now, put my colours in the cup, and then do the pour. Okay, that's my colours, one layer only of each, as my piece of foam board is not that big. So I'm now going to make a spout for those colours and pour. Yep, I will pour from the middle. Now I might pour across, I think. Right, that is interesting. So I'm just going to pop on my gloves and then tilt this to see what I can make. Okay, still bubbles coming through, which I expected. Some of these colours I had left over from a previous pour, and some of them I have made up today, so I will get a few bubbles in them, but there is no silicone or dimethicone added to any of the colours. Well, that certainly isn't what was in my mind when I started doing this. Mind you, I generally find that the pictures I create are not in my mind when I start, are not the ones in my mind. I had a completely different idea in mind, of course, for this, but the colours have done their own thing. The phthalo green, the dark blue, and the red were all Liquitex basics. And they are definitely stronger pigmentation. So the green particularly is quite predominant, but I'm loving it. I'm just loving it. I'm loving the almost as though someone has cut through a coloured rock and got the various layers of it going through. So I'm just going to leave it like that and that is my first experiment for the day. I will be back again with more trial and error with those colours for follow-up videos. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.